online classes. Now we are discussing the given homework in the previous lectures. Now we are discussing the homework of the class 9th related to the science. The first homework question is that, the first question is that uniform and non-uniform motion. So first we have to describe uniform and non-uniform motion. The first question is that we have to describe the uniform and non-uniform motion with examples and graph. With examples, with example and graph. So we have to describe the first uniform motion. What is the uniform motion? What is the basic definition of uniform motion? The definition says that when a particle is moving in a path and he covers equal distance in equal interval of a time, then it is called uniform motion. A particle covers equal distance in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time, then it is called uniform motion. Then it is called uniform motion. The examples of uniform motion is if a particle having a constant speed, and he is moving in a straight line or a uniform circle, then its motion is to be called uniform circular motion. If a particle is moving with a constant speed, if a particle is moving with constant speed, then its motion is called uniform motion. Another examples, when a particle is moving with a constant speed in a circle, then its motion is to be known as uniform motions. The graph of the uniform motion is that if we are discovering the graph, so we have to plot on the two axes. The first axis is our displacement. Here we represent displacement and here we represent the time. This x is called displacement. This x is called displacement and t is here time. The graph is approximately shown as like this because this particle is covering equal distance in equal interval of a time, then it is called uniform motion. And here we can see that this angle is to be constant. This angle is theta and this theta is constant. If dx over dt is constant, then its motion is to be known as uniform motion. Otherwise, the motion is called non-uniform motions. If we draw the graph of non-uniform motion, this is the non-uniform motion. Here we are taking the x is the displacement and t is the time. T is the time and x is the displacement. If we see this type of trajectory, this is non-uniform motion. This is non-uniform. There are various types of motion. This is the non-uniform motion and this is the uniform motion. All the accelerated motions, examples of Examples of non-uniform motion. All the accelerated motions is called a non-uniform motion. All the accelerated motion is called non-uniform motion. All the accelerated motion is called non-uniform motion. So we have to describe with all the basic theories and with all the examples and graph is related to the motion, which is called non-uniform motion and which is called uniform motion. There are two types of motion, uniform and non-uniform. Uniform motion is like equal distance cover equal number of times, then it is called a uniform motion. If it does not do such like that, then it is called non-uniform motions.